Hey guys, and let's get into our notes for 8.3, multiplying binomials. So this should be somewhat of a review from section 1.7 when we introduced this in the distributive property. So when you multiply two binomials, you are supposed to double distribute and then simplify. You can also use a technique called FOIL, and another technique you can use to organize your work is called the table method. So I'll show you an example of each of these methods, and you'll get to practice them each in class and then choose the method you like the best. So before I get into the example, first, multiplying a binomial times a binomial. If you use the FOIL method, FOIL, F stands for first terms, O stands for, outer terms, I stands for inner terms. I keep on adding the extra letter. And then L stands for last terms. So first, our first example is going to ask us to multiply using the double distributive property. So the idea here is you're taking x and multiplying it to this binomial, and then you're taking 3 and multiplying it by the same binomial. So you're taking x and multiplying it by 2x minus 1 plus 3 multiplied by 2x minus 1. So that's distributing each of these to 2x minus 1. So now I'll distribute again. That's where the double distributive part comes. X multiplied by 2x is 2x squared. X multiplied by negative 1 is negative x. 3 multiplied by 2x is 6x. 3 multiplied by negative 1 is negative 3. So now I could simplify my answer. 2x squared plus 5x minus 3. So in number 2, I want you to use FOIL. So if I think of that, the first thing I'm going to do is multiply my first terms. 1 multiplied by x, that's my first terms. Then I'm going to multiply my outer terms. 1 multiplied by negative 4. Then I'm going to multiply my two inner terms. Negative 5x multiplied by x. Then I'll multiply my two last terms. Negative 5x times negative 4. Oops, they switched. You know what I was trying to do. So I'll simplify each of this. This becomes x minus 4 minus 5x squared plus 20x. Combining like terms into standard form, negative 5x squared plus 21x minus 4. So this would be in standard form after foiling. First terms, outer terms, inner terms, last terms.